Your sexual health is just as important as your general health. Make sure you take it seriously. Get yourself checked. Chlamydia and gonorrhea, the silent infections, often show no signs and symptoms. Up to 80% of females may have the infection without knowing. You can get infected through oral sex. HIV can affect anyone who has unprotected sex. Get your free confidential sexual health MOT and HIV test for early diagnosis. Access walk-in and appointment clinics. Your one-stop shop. Consultation, screening, diagnosis and treatment. Results in 1 week. Some same-day microscopy results. The party season is on its way. Get your sexual health MOT. Call into one of our drop-in clinics or call us today.